All right, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is our 28th day of ride, and today we are planning to reach at least Kota. Kota is around 550 kilometers from Sonipat. Yesterday we stayed at a dhaba called Mahalakshmi Sangam Dhaba. They got AC rooms, and it was okay. It was need of the hour for us. So we stayed here, and it's already now 4 o'clock in the morning. So our plan is to cover up some distance before actually we get heat waves. So let's see. I hope everything goes fine from here. See you on the road. I'll update you all later. Take care. All right, welcome. A very good morning from Rewari. So we left at 4 o'clock. It's now 6:15, and in this 1 hour we made it to Rewari, which is around 120 kilometers roughly from Sonipat. The highway was very good, clean, not much traffic, so therefore we could actually cover up a good distance of 100 plus kilometer, 120 around. We just took a break, water break, and probably if we get a good dhaba somewhere now close, we will have our breakfast. So soon, in next 20-25 kilometers, I believe we'll be joining the Jaipur Delhi Expressway. That road is good, and maybe by afternoon we should be at Jaipur. Jaipur is around 190 kilometers from here. Afternoon I'm saying because it all depends on conditions. Shankar is doing good, although in the morning he was not feeling okay, but then he is doing okay now. Since he had ORS, there is a slight improvement, I would say, in him, and therefore we could push to such a distance in quick time. This is state highway. We are still in Haryana. No, we have already entered in Rajasthan. Sorry, we have entered in Rajasthan, and in next 4 hours max, because it is 6:15 now, so maybe by 10:30 I think we should be at Jaipur. This is my rough calculation, depending upon how quickly and effectively we continue our journey. Again, it all depends on sun god. Normally after 10-11 you start feeling the heat, and if the conditions are going to be like this, little cool, warm, then I think we should be able to reach Kota by 2 or 3 o'clock, and then we'll take a stock whether conditions are okay to ride, and if we can push it little bit further Kota, then I think it would be good. Maybe Ujjain, I don't know. And even if we make it to Ujjain, I think that would be a plus for us for tomorrow. Let's see. I will keep you updated. Now we'll be joining the Delhi Jaipur Expressway roundabout, and here we join. Yes, here we go with Delhi Jaipur. Now this express will take us directly to Jaipur. Hello Jaipur, here we comes. And Jaipur is around 170 kilometers from here. We haven't had breakfast, so probably maybe in next 5-10 kilometers we can have our breakfast, and then we can continue on this same highway. And now you have lot of traffic. Obviously Delhi Jaipur Expressway is always full of traffic. Okay, so we just had our breakfast. Same again, aloo paratha, dahi, and kullad ki chai. It's 7:15 right now, and we got to stay on this highway for next 56 kilometers. We are right now on Jaipur Delhi Expressway. Traffic have now begun to show up. Lot of trucks, lorries, cars, containers, and we will be bypassing Jaipur. In fact, we won't be getting into the city. The road which we are taking to Kota will bypass, not literally bypass, it will go through the city, but not through the heart of the city. So far so good. Weather is okay. Slowly, I believe in next 2-3 hours, heat will start generating its impact. And we just had a discussion over the cup of tea So we have decided that we will ride till night, maybe max 10. We will not take halt unnecessarily, and this is good, I would say, because that way this will give us some space to cover up some distance. This is our second day of a third phase, and we have 2 more days to make it home, and I'm feeling really sleepy. So we have decided to just take a small halt at next petrol pump. That way we'll top up our tank, we'll wash my face, very important. That's because I got up at 2:30 today. From 2:30 to 3:30 I got ready, I got my bike ready. We had a coffee at around 3:30 and 4 o'clock we left. So probably because of that I'm feeling little sleepy. So therefore a small short break is very important. This highway is very congested. You know, you can't take risk on this highway. So therefore next nearest petrol pump, I think I can see one of Indian Oil probably. So we'll just wait there for 5-10 minutes and then we'll continue. It's already 9:30 now, quarter to 10 in fact. I again had another 10-15 minutes break. Had 2 cups of tea. Now feeling little fresh. You know, this heat is already started killing us. It's just 9:30, bloody hell, and it's so hot. Jaipur is around 70 kilometers now, so let's go first Jaipur, then we are seriously thinking of taking long halt, actually maybe hour or 2 hours or so, because it's really hot, and then we'll continue. Let's see, maybe towards Kota, but any cost today we have to be at Kota, otherwise we'll be very behind. राजस्थान की गर्मी है भाई, पधारो मारो देश में. Amity University is 1 kilometer from here and Jaipur is 39. So we will be, I think, passing through the city. I hope we don't get traffic. So already quarter to 11, and as I was expecting that by max 11 we should be in Jaipur, we are. So we are on time. So I think if we continue like this with small break, I believe by 4 o'clock we should be at Kota. Max 4 o'clock should be at Kota, and then we can continue riding till 8 o'clock or maybe 10 o'clock towards Ujjain. Kota is our first objective, and if we make it to Ujjain, then it would be fantastic for us. We'll get a head start tomorrow, because tomorrow we are planning to take a halt at Shirdi. From Ujjain to Shirdi is again very far, I think roughly around 750 kilometers. So if we touch Ujjain today, then we have a head start, and actually again we'll be starting our ride at 4 o'clock, and in the first 5 hours of the morning we can actually cover up 150-200 kilometers. So that is the game plan altogether. Let's see how it works out. Okay, welcome back. So we actually had almost 2 hours of break. We actually entered in Jaipur city through this road on the way to Kota almost at quarter to 12, and from quarter to 12 to quarter to 2, literally for 2 hours we took a break. In between we had some juices, and obviously we also had lunch, and the 2-hour break was really refreshing. It was a AC restaurant, so therefore we delayed everything, and now we are heading towards Kota. So Kota is around, from this point, 236 kilometers, and if we go non-stop it will take 4 hours. But anyways, we won't be going non-stop. We have decided that we will take break every after 50 kilometers, and there the plane is landing. I don't know whether you can see in the GoPro or not. Yeah, can you see that object, flying object? That's a plane. Yeah. So airport is very close here because we are in Jaipur city. There it is. I think it is Indigo, I think. Yeah, Indigo. So anyways, so we therefore have decided to just take 50 minutes every after 50 kilometer. We will take a break of 5-10 minutes just to have a water, because the heat is unbearable. Right now it is again hovering around 38 and 39 degrees Celsius here in Jaipur, and it's becoming really unbearable. but then we have to move on. We have to make sure that we manage to clear some kilometers, because technically, as I said, tomorrow we are planning to take a halt at Shirdi. And if we take a halt today at Kota, from Kota to Shirdi is around 800 something kilometers, which is obviously not possible. So I'm trying my best to insist, Shankar, that see, let us take break every after 50 kilometers. First, let us reach out Kota, and once we reach Kota, then we'll take a call. If we can stretch even 100 kilometers, I think it's doable till 8 o'clock, because in the evening then the temperature reduces little bit, and it is conducive environment. Actually, you can ride for another hour or two. So if we had to do 100 kilometers from Kota, let's do this, because then next day we'll get head on start. We can start again early morning, and we don't have to cover 800 kilometers, but only 700 kilometers, which is very much doable in a day. Even if we reach late night at Shirdi, that is acceptable. So that is how we have worked out. So let's see how things gonna pan out, and I just hope that Kota at least won't be that hot. Well, we are just 160 kilometers away from Kota, and just now we had another break. Seriously, we have been taking breaks after breaks because of heat, and luckily we found a Red Bull here. And since I had a Red Bull, yeah, my sleep is gone, at least for some time. I don't know how effective Red Bull would be. If Red Bull does its job for next 2 hours, then it's fantastic. If not, then I may have to take one more. Seriously, and it's so hot now. Sun is been covered by these dark clouds, so therefore we have kind of a good weather. Anyway, so far so good. We are going strong even though of this heat. I think this idea of taking break every 50 kilometers actually is very helpful. Take a break of 10-15 minutes, feel fresh, get back onto the road. So now we have decided to take a break exactly just 100 kilometers before Kota. Okay, so we took another break of exactly after 50 kilometers from the last spot. In fact, we got a petrol fuel for our bike as well, so bike is also now fully loaded with fuel. And Kota exactly is now 50 kilometers from here, so I think it should take another hour or so to actually reach at Kota. So as we discussed earlier, now it is confirmed that beyond Kota we'll be riding for more 70 to 80 kilometers, just to have a head start tomorrow. So total we are going to ride now 120 to 130, and we'll be bypassing the Kota. Bypassing in the sense we'll be going from the outskirts of the city, and roughly I believe by 8 o'clock in next 2 hours we will take a halt wherever we reach and whatever distance we carry. Alright, so this is the new update, and I'm very happy that we are actually, compared to yesterday, today we crossed a lot of distance. Health wise, Shankar is now doing very good. Let's hope for the best, because tomorrow again is a very important day. Next 2 days are very important. Okay, so finally we are at, which resort is this? Sasa Resort at Kota. Finally we got this room. Seriously, this is the best room we ever stayed in the last 28 days of our ride. Seriously, therefore
Finally, gonna live like a
king, exactly,
just for one day.
just for one night.
One night. Yes.
So we thought I'll just shoot this, otherwise rest of the stays wherever we have stayed, we stayed in budget. We thought, okay, this is the second last night, let's leave it like a king size.
We have
Wow,
stayed in a
beautiful.
room where it was surrounded by all rocks.
Exactly.
Just rocks.
So you're happy
Just
finally?
rocks.
Yeah? Good, chalo, great. Shankar is very much happy. Chalo, great.
In budget.
Yeah. Alright, so I had to shut down my GoPro because suddenly it started raining. And then almost we were in the close proximity of this resort. We finally found a good deal at Sasa Resort at Kota. Yeah, I forgetting. At Kota. And we reached here at around 8 o'clock. Got freshened up and just transfer my all data on my hard disk. Yeah, so this is it for the day. So today we traveled all the way from Sonipat to Kota, and the ride was fantastic. The road was absolutely fantastic. And I'll see you tomorrow in the next vlog. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.